That's right, Dave and Katie. Like I've been telling you, we're down at the ground here, and now we're like the heating pipes and the heating vents are, talking about debris and what we can do to make sure we're safe. And I'm here with Chris from Ashland Fire and Rescue. So Chris, kind of tell us how we can make ourselves safe with wildfire season coming up.
So one of the important things to know about wildfire, you often see on TV the big flames coming towards a house and it being swallowed by fire. And while that happens a small percentage of the time, more often than not, what affects houses is the very little things around the home and against it, like these oak leaves. And so what you really want to focus on is eliminating that pathway for fire to get to your house. Raking the leaves away from wood siding is really important, especially where it comes up next to the house. So you can take these leaves, get rid of them, move them away. Having a barrier around your house that's non-flammable, like this gravel, will keep a ground fire from moving up next to your house and then transferring to the siding or something that's flammable, connected to the house, and then potentially igniting the house on fire. And another avenue for fire to get in, those airborne embers are swirling around. They can come in through any of the vents or openings on a house. So when you're looking at your house, look for those avenues for flames to get in and embers to penetrate the house. Any little cracks in the siding should be sealed. Vents should be covered with mesh that's really fine to keep those embers and fire out and better protect your home.
All right, great. Thanks, Chris. Well, coming up in just a few minutes, we'll still give you some more tips on how you can make the outside of your home fire safe for wildfire season that's coming up. We'll be right back with more after the break.